We're deceiving you today.
So welcome to the Whanganui River on this beautiful day. It is going to be a good day, hopefully much better than yesterday. Got a bit wet yesterday afternoon. So to start with, we're going to go up the river 32 kilometres in the boat. It's going to take us about 55 minutes. On the way I'm going to stop and show you some places of interest, some more on the way back down as well. For you folks that are canoeing in the back there, let's pop over here as well. I'm going to show you the easy way around some of these rapids as well. Okay, there are rapids. Now we do have a bit of safety information before we leave. When we start planning along, then please sit down, do not stand. Keep your arms and hands inside the boat. There's a handrail there if you need it. On the way back down we'll do some spins. We don't do any on the way up, so we'll talk about that later on.